How to fix Uber Eats promo code not working error. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Uber Eats promo code not working error. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Uber Eats application on your device and make sure you are signed in. And if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, if you have entered a promo code and your promo code is not being applied, then it might be because of a few reasons. First, promo codes can only be applied once. Any leftover credit on a single promotion does not apply to future orders. Also, remember that each promo code has its own terms and conditions. Make sure you are using it in the applicable location, currency, and before the expiration date. Also, check the promo code validity. Ensure that the promo code that you are using has not expired. Some codes are only valid for a specific period of time. So, this is how you can fix Uber Eats promo code not working error. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Shines for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.